Hello, welcome everybody to Centonomy Abundant Living with Sheba Jage. I'm very happy to be here today and to keep having abundant conversations with you. Now I can see your interesting comments, and even for all of you who've been watching our show, and the very last one, especially where we were talking about 7 Kenyan platforms that can support you and that are super ready to help you to reset your life. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if there is one more I forgot, but you know what, when I remember something, you know what, I make sure I get done. I share it with you. And the 8th one you need to check out before I go to the next thing. The 8th one you need to check out is Olive Nkirote's YouTube channel. So if you're out there and you've been wondering how do you use, platforms for your biashara like Alibaba, or you have some questions about how to raise capital or where to get capital for your young business, or you have some interesting questions around how to make sure that your business works so that it's online, she has amazing tips on how to run a business wherever you are. And shout out to Olive because she's one of our alumni and she is amazing. She has great content. Make sure you check that YouTube. Today we talk about seasons in life and the various characteristics of seasons in your life. The truth is, by the time, if you're someone who's been watching this show for a while, you've been able to realize that we are talking about different things that can support your journey of life. And seasons are one of those things. I remember in primary school, we were taught this song that used to say, there is a season, time, a season for every purpose, and a season to do something else or something different. And I want us to just take some time to break down the various seasons that we may experience right now in our lives, in our businesses, in our jobs, just across the board. Let's talk about seed time. When you're planting the seed, it's a very crucial time, and that's when you're planting either an idea, or that's when you're starting out, or that's when you've been having this idea about doing something for your home, or even for your work, or even in your job. And usually what happens when you're putting a seed inside the soil, there is not really much hula baloo. Ideally, you're the only one who knows what you're doing, right? Usually, sometimes if you think about it, it's usually a bit difficult, it's usually a bit boring, as in you're putting something under the ground. If you're starting a new business and you're planting the seed for a new business, it's not like very many friends are out there cheering you on or saying, wow, what a great seed you're starting out. But seed time is very important because that's when you're starting out. Are you in the season where you are currently planting a seed? Continue planting that seed. It could mean that you're probably a newbie and you're probably, as we've been talking about in the last couple of episodes, resetting a couple of things, starting a new business, starting a new job, or planting a seed to start a new job, or planting a seed to start a new business, or planting a seed to rekindle a relationship with a loved one. Just know it may not seem so glorious or beautiful, but it is one of the very most important parts of your season. Are you in the seed time season of your life? Continue planting. The second season, let's look at harvesting. Now, harvesting is ideally for many people the fun part. That's when your seed, the one you planted a few years ago, a few months ago, a few weeks ago, this is when now it's coming to life. This is when it is blooming into this beautiful flower or beautiful fruit. That's when you're able to see the results of the work that you actually put in or you planted. It's usually a very great time. That's when people want to engage with you and celebrate with you. Harvest time could be you planted a seed of starting a new job, and then harvest time is you got the job and let's celebrate and then let's start. Then harvest time for if you are rekindling a relationship with a loved one, with your mom, with your sister or someone, that's when it has happened and now you're connecting well, and that's harvest time because that's a result for the work that you put in. Harvest time is usually a very exciting time for you, and if you're currently in your harvest season, you're probably very, very happy. And sometimes when people are in their harvest season, they forget there could be some people who are in their friends or family who are also in the seed time. So you even forget, and you're just having fun alone and forgetting that it's possible that someone else could be in a slower season. So as you enjoy, as you have a good time during your harvest season, make sure that you also remember your friend, you also remember your colleagues, and continue cheering them on towards their harvest season. Let's talk about the winter season of your life. If you're a fan of Games of Thrones, it's possible you've heard winter is coming, and it's usually a really big deal. If you're in this part of Africa, that is the East African side of the world, we barely see the snow unless we climb some peaks of these mountains, or that random day in Limuru Road where we get to see a bit of snow, right? But what does winter season really characterize in our lives? The winter season, it's when it's rainy, it's cold, things are slow, like we can't just wait for this to clear so that whatever is on the ground, the plants that we planted can actually come out and start blooming, right? And the winter season of your life can be a bit slow, can be cold, can be sometimes depressive. You can be wondering, am I all alone in this part of my life? But it's important to know that if you're currently in the winter season, or if you ever get into the winter season of your life, there's still work going on underground. There's still work going on in your business as it works, behind the scenes. There's still work going on in the work that you're doing as an employee at someone else's company. Allow for that season to go, right? Let that rain keep pounding, because it's going to leave. And when it leaves, or when it clears and sunshine comes in and the plants are blooming, you'll be happy, because ideally it will be soon harvest time. So if you're in the winter time of your life, take heart, keep going, and just know it's part of the journey. As you know, seasons can be long, and so is this episode. I'd like to ask you to subscribe and make sure you come back and watch the very next video as we finish the other seasons. Watch, subscribe, and share.